Imagine a place where the rules of physics break down. A place where a single teaspoon of matter weighs 1 billion tons. As you touch it, your atoms collapse. It's a neutron star, one of the most extreme and mysterious objects in our universe. Today we'll travel beyond what human senses can imagine, into the heart of a dying star, to see what truly happens inside a neutron star. Every neutron star begins with the death of a giant. When a massive star, 10 times larger than our sun, runs out of fuel, its core collapses in less than a second. The outer layers explode outward, a supernova, brighter than billions of suns combined. What's left behind is the star's crushed heart, a sphere only 20 kilometers wide, holding more mass than the entire sun. Inside this tiny star, gravity crushes atoms together. Protons and electrons merge into neutrons. Matter becomes so dense that 1 cubic centimeter weighs as much as Mount Everest. The surface burns at over 1 million degrees, and the magnetic field is 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's, strong enough to tear apart molecules and distort space itself. This is nature at its limit. Now imagine you are approaching it. From a distance, it looks like a pulsing jewel, bright, beautiful, harmless. But as you draw near, the universe begins to warp. Light bends, time slows. Gravity pulls so fiercely that your feet would feel billions of times heavier than your head. Without protection, your body would be torn apart before you even touch the surface. But let's imagine you survive, protected by technology beyond our age. You fall slowly toward the glowing surface, a place where solid, liquid, and gas no longer have meaning. As you touch it, your atoms collapse. Protons and electrons merge into neutrons. You become part of the star, a river of nuclear matter flowing endlessly under infinite pressure. Deep inside, physics becomes poetry. Inside a neutron star, matter forgets what it is, but energy never dies. If consciousness could survive, it would see eternity compressed into a heartbeat. And maybe, just maybe, within that crushing silence, the universe is whispering its deepest secret, that even in death there is transformation.